Alright, in this video we're going to be going over key files. So what is a key file? A key file is a file whose content is combined with the password to act as a two-factor authentication for verifying the identity of a user and granting access to the resource. The thinking here is that a key file acts as two-factor authentication. So what is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication is an authentication method in which a computer user is granted access only after successfully presenting two or more pieces of evidence to an authentication mechanism. So passwords, they are evidence that you are who you say you are. Key files, they are evidence that you are who you say you are. So in this example, the authentication mechanism is whatever we have encrypted. And the evidence that we are presenting to the authentication mechanism is two things: the password, which we know, and the key file, which we have. So what it's doing, what a two-factor authentication method is combining what we know with what we have. And in essence, we're creating a two-factor authentication. So in practical terms, what is a key file? A key file is any file on your computer. You can use any file on your computer. You can use any file. You can use this, you can use this, you can use that. You can even use this if you want. So a key file in our example in this video is this image right here. I'm going to be using a print screen image of my desktop as the key file. So we go here, create new volume, create. Select file to desktop, call it P, hit next, keep going, 10 megabytes. I'm going to use the password test, use it, test, use key files. We hit key files, we go add files. We go to our desktop and we're going to go to Veracrypt test file. That's what we're going to be using. We're going to be using the Veracrypt test key file for our test key file. So we hit OK. We hit next. This is warning us not to use a short password, which we are for this example. Now we're going to squiggle our mouse around. We get a little bit of randomness. Then we're going to hit format. It's going to do its thing. It's going to have a little think. Boom. Now we exit out. Now here's our little encrypted file. We go to A, we mount. We go to desktop, we go mount. So now what do we have? We have a test, that's our password, and the key file is going to be this guy right here. So we select the key file, and open sesame. Now we're in. We are in and we are able to access our encrypted file right here. And that's a key file. That's an example of what a key file is. Hope you liked this video. That's all I got to say about that. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe and help the channel out. Appreciate you.